Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making fresh oha soup. This is a special soup in eastern part of Nigeria. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. First, I'm going to add my preferred proteins in my cooking pot, and for that I'll go in with my goat tripe, goat meat, stockfish, cooked cow foot, and I'm going to season with my roughly blended onions and pepper, seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to cook without adding water. For my thickener, I will be using cocoyam. I'm going to add water, cover and allow it to cook until soft. While that is cooking, I'm going to prep my vegetables, and I'm using fresh oha leaves and fresh uziza leaves. I'm going to pick my oha leaf like this and shred it with my fingertips, wash and set it aside. And I'm going to wash the uziza leaves before cutting it into tiny pieces. At this time, the proteins are 80% cooked. Next, I will add my dry catfish as well as the cow foot stock. I'm not going to add much water because I'm going to blend my cocoyam with water. That way, I will be able to control the quantity of water I'm using. Next, I will add my palm oil, crayfish, IGBO. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to cook. Next, I'll check on my cocoyam, and at this time it is soft. I'm going to take it to my sink, peel and blend it with my blender until smooth. At this time, I will add my Cameroon pepper as well as my blended cocoyam. I will rinse my blender with small amount of water, add, stir to combine, cover and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I will debone my grilled mackerel fish. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Next, I'll check on my soup, and the consistency is just perfect. I will proceed by adding my grilled mackerel fish as well as the uziza leaves. I will add one seasoning cube, mix to combine and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, our soup is almost ready. Next, I will add my oha leaves and more crayfish. I will give it a good mix and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. And we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.